Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making a fettuccine chicken Alfredo. I didn't have fettuccine, so I used linguine, but you do what works for you. A couple things I do want to say. I know traditionally it's not made with heavy cream. However, that's how I like it and I use it. If you don't want to, just leave it out. But I really do like the consistency that you get with the heavy cream. So I go ahead and use it. But again, I know that's not traditional, so don't come at me. If I'm in Rome, I will eat it the way they make it. But right now, I make it the way I like. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.